In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable file to your Wix website. This is a great feature if you want to share documents, brochures, or any other digital material directly with your site visitors. It's a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open the editor for the website where you plan to add the downloadable file. You can usually find your site listed under My Sites on the Wix dashboard. Clicking on it will take you directly to the editor interface. Now that you're in the Wix editor, the next step is to add a button or text link on your page. Look towards the left side of your screen and you'll see a vertical toolbar. Find the add button, which is often represented by a plus sign. Click on this and you'll be presented with several options. If you want a button, choose the button category and then select standard button. This option is highly recommended for downloads because it is visually distinct and users can spot it easily. However, if you prefer something more subtle, you might opt for a text link instead, which you can find under the text category. Once you've made your choice, just click and drag your selection to where you want it on the page. With your button or text link in place, it's time to link it to your file. Click on the button or text link you've just added and a menu will appear. Look for the option that says change text and link. This will take you to another menu where you can choose link. From the various linking options, select document. This is where you'll upload the file that you want your visitors to download. Click on upload document and a file manager window will pop up. From here, you can upload your file. Acceptable file types include PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, zip archives, and more. Wix supports almost any type of file, but it's always a good practice to keep the file size reasonable. This ensures that downloads are quick and seamless, which enhances the experience for your visitors. And that's really all there is to it. Once your file is uploaded, your button or text link is now ready for visitors to interact with. They can click and download the file directly, seamlessly integrating this feature into the user experience on your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you engage your audience more effectively on Wix.